use your chances. Living for today, don't care what comes tomorrow.